Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide you how you can enable full screen mode in Gutenberg Block Editor and hide the admin user interface just within a second in a single click. Okay, start. I am going to my website dashboard. And after that I am going my post section, all post, open a test post from here. Right now you see left side it's showing the admin user bar. So sometimes it's destructive to work and it looks like complicated. Left, right, all things are making complication. So if you want to remove this left bar and make it so clean, how you can do it? Just simple tricks. In a right corner you will get a three dot button here. Just click on that three dot button and you will find the option full screen mode. Just click here, or in your keyboard control plus shift plus alt plus F, that's also will work. So I am clicking on full screen mode. You see it looks like very clean and it's easy to work, and sometimes it helps to work faster. And if you again want to bring that admin bar, admin interface, what you can do, just again click on that three dot, or in your keyboard just press Ctrl Shift Alt and F. Again it will come. Very simple. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.